Dealerships need more leads and better qualified ones. And they need flexibility when it comes to credit. Soft pulls early, hard pulls when it's time to close. Soft Pull Solutions supports both. Here's the reality. Many shoppers want a car they'll never get approved for. A good salesperson doesn't shut them down, they guide them to something that will work. But to do that, you need insight early. With Soft Pull Solutions, dealerships get a full credit report without impacting the customer's credit. That leads to more shoppers willing to engage, more pre-qualified conversations, and lower costs and fewer hard pulls. For some dealers, the instinct is to skip straight to a hard pull, and if that's your process, we fully support that. Soft pulls make it so hard pulls only happen at the right time and with buyers who are actually moving forward with the purchase. Soft Pull Solutions integrates directly into your dealership's website, helping generate leads while using pre-fill technology to reduce abandonment and speed up applications. Once submitted, applications can flow directly into DealerTrack, Route 1, and most CRM and DMS platforms. When the customer is ready, hard pulls are fully supported. Whether your process starts with soft pulls, hard pulls, or a mix of both, Soft Pull Solutions is structured to be highly competitive on pricing, and in most cases, we're able to improve on what dealerships are paying today. Soft Pull Solutions includes real-time driver's license verification, helping dealerships identify expired licenses and fake IDs as part of the credit process. The platform also provides automated compliance controls, including built-in red flag detection, hard stops, stipulation tracking, and detailed audit logging. Identity and fraud verification, along with OFAC and anti-money laundering screening, are handled directly within the platform. Required privacy disclosures, risk-based pricing notifications, and adverse action notices can all be delivered and managed seamlessly in one system. Soft Pull Solutions delivers a full credit report without impacting the consumer's credit, and can often do so without requiring a social security number or date of birth. Contact Soft Pull Solutions to learn how our platform can support your process with competitive pricing and flexible workflows.